So I think that this is just a rare occasion all around.
Burlington police answering a flurry of media questions about the death of Douglas Kilburn. He died days after an altercation with a cop. On Wednesday, the medical examiner's office declared the matter of death a homicide.
That's a different matter than a beyond a reasonable doubt in a criminal proceeding.
Police say Kilburn was trying to see a relative at the UVM Medical Center in mid-March. The hospital called the cops on Kilburn for acting disorderly. Allegedly, his car was later blocking ambulance bays, and he's accused of punching a responding officer in the face. That officer, Corey Campbell, punched back to subdue the man. Kilburn got medical treatment at the hospital and was released the next day. He was found dead in his Burlington apartment a few days later. His autopsy says the cause of death is undetermined because of a number of factors, including obesity, diabetes, and skull fractures due to blunt impact. State police are now investigating. Chief Del Pozo isn't able to comment on the actions of the case specifically, but did generally say police are trained to defend themselves.
I'm not intimating anything about how the fight unfolded, but I'm saying it's not unheard of to be able to need to defend yourself by striking someone in the head.
State police say they're looking into the entire incident, including the officer's use of force.
It will proceed at whatever deliberate pace is necessary in order for us to present our factual findings to the Vermont Attorney General's office, and that office will then decide what the next steps are, whether any charges are justified or not.
And we're told that Officer Campbell has been put on administrative duties while this whole thing shakes out, and that Vermont State Police do have access to body cam footage of the incident. The Union for Police Officers that represents Campbell also speaking out today, saying they believe that he acted appropriately, calling Kilburn's death, quote, a sad but unfortunate consequence of Kilburn's own conduct. We're live in Burlington. Tom Garris, NBC 5 News.
UVM Medical Center released this statement concerning Kilburn's death. It reads, "We are saddened to lose a member of the Burlington community and offer our condolences to Mr. Kilburn's family and friends. The UVM Medical Center will continue to assist the Vermont State Police with their investigation into this matter, but we are unable to comment further publicly."